Okay, informative speech assignment number 7. So this is the big one. This is where you put all of the work that you've been doing together. You clean it up, you add to it, whatever you need to do to get it. So the instructions are here. You can download and read the instructions. I've been showing you the full sentence outline example all this time, so this really shouldn't be surprising to you. So the first thing I think you should do, though, is look at the outline guide, and that just shows you like the rationale. It shows you what goes where. So let me find that for you. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so this is the structure. Notice that there are words in lines that are bolded. Notice that there are things that are italicized. I expect you to follow these intricate details, okay? Also, I absolutely expect this outline to be an outline form. If you turn it in paragraph form, you get a 0. So, just set it up exactly this way. So, what was it, assignment number 4, when you did attention getter and all that? Yeah, same thing. If I gave you feedback that you should correct something, fix it, and you'll put it here. Assignment number 5, where are your transition sentences? Wait for my feedback and put those sentences here italicized. Then you literally put the word body in bold in the center and type your main point. Your main point, all main points should be complete sentences. I am not too picky about subpoints. If the more complete they are, the better for you. But absolutely 1, 2, and 3 have to be complete sentences. The transition sentences have to be complete sentences. And then the conclusion that you conducted or you wrote in assignment number 4 goes here at the bottom. And then the second page of your, or it won't be the second page, the last page, let's say that, should be your references. Just like you turn them in assignment 2, if I gave you feedback to correct, please make the corrections. So let's remember one more time what this sample looks like. This particular speech is on lightning, and so just put your title, your subject, topic, right in the center here, and then the word introduction, and then the word attention getter, and write your attention getter that you wrote for assignment 4, the cleaned up version. Listener relevance, link. You don't have to put the word link if you don't want to, but and then your listener relevance, then speaker credibility, then thesis preview. If you flip-flop these two, that's fine. Sometimes it flows better. But this is the typical order. Thesis preview is your thesis that you began writing in assignment 3, then continued in 4, and then your first transition. You literally can use some of the language that's in this example to help guide you. Body in the center, full sentence. Notice the difference between this transition sentence and this main point. Before you can appreciate lightning, you need to know what causes it and how it works. Lightning is caused by the attraction between positive and negative charges. So there's a hint here, and then there's actual information here. Make sure that you are doing that in your outline and in your speech. Now you know what causes lightning. Notice how it reflects back to this point. But you may not be aware that there is more than one type of lightning. Lightning can be divided into 3 different category types. So we have a reflection on the previous and a hint about the next one. We are not repeating language at all. Notice how this person's second point is broken down into sub-points. So that works well too. The more complete your outline is, the better off you're going to be because you can use your outline to guide your speech. Now that you know the types of lightning, you may be wondering just how dangerous lightning is. So again, it referred back to the previous, and it's giving a hint about the next one. Lightning has a very broad danger scale, and then all the information that you need, and then the conclusion. All right, and notice the references down here in APA format. Okay, I hope that this helps you. We are so close to the end here. Just put all of your work together, look at the feedback I've given you, and make sure your outline looks like these.